Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new. My name is Madison. Thank you so much for joining. Today we are going to be unboxing we're in May, so April, Bibbidi Bobbidi boxes. And for those of you that don't know what Bibbidi Bobbidi boxes is, it is a monthly Disney subscription service. So you will get Disney park exclusives, you will get Disney merchandise, and you will also get Disney small shops, which I think is absolutely amazing. So they do have 4 tiers of boxes. They have Dreams, Wishes, Fantasy, and then the Ultimate. They range from $39.99, $49.99, $59.99, and then $119. And I've recently just found out they also do one-time boxes, and they also have other boxes as well, like a snack box, a dog box, I think like a coffee, and a bunch of other things. So I will leave the link in the description box below if you guys want to check them out. And they also always have coupons or like discounts going on as well. So if I find one, I will also leave it down in the description box below. So I am super excited because I finally got this. I know some people did have a little bit of delays, but that's because they were switching their service or shipping carriers. So they now have switched to FedEx. So instead of me normally getting it, I get about 8 to 9 days. We should be roughly getting it between 3 and 5, or sometimes even 2 to 3 days, which is really exciting. The only thing is this time I was actually hit with a customs and taxes with FedEx, whereas my other 2 boxes I have not been hit with that at all. So I know that they are looking into that. I did speak with them and they are investigating with what's going on with that. So hopefully we don't have to do that anymore, but I am still super excited. I am nowhere near the parks. So for me, having Disney park exclusives come to me or Disney items is very, very wonderful. So I am super excited. And the lovely ladies over at Bibbidi Bobbidi Boxes customize this stuff to you guys. So when you log in or when you sign up for a box, there is a whole section where you get to fill in things that you like, things that you don't like, things that you want, things that you don't want. The 3 lovely ladies over there will hand package your box for you and then send it out. So if you guys wanted to sign up, make sure you sign up before the 15th of the month. And that way you'll be guaranteed to get that month's box. They do ship a little bit later, and hint, hint, I think they're actually switching their shipping to a little bit earlier, which means we will get our boxes earlier as well, which is really exciting. But anyways, I'm gonna stop rambling and we're gonna open this. My box is really dirty, but you know what? That is not their fault. It's just shipping. And I had this huge custom thing on the front, so that's why my box looks a little bit bad and badgered and dirty this month, but it's okay because I'm not keeping this. I kept my first box. So I did cut the tape, but I have not looked at anything, I swear. So we are gonna open this up if I can. Oh. So first look, ooh, it's pink tissue paper. I received blue and purple, not pink. And we have some lovely confetti on top. So this is the card this month. It says, go on and dig a little deeper inside your Bibbidi Bobbidi box. You might just find something magical. You can always tag them in your unboxings at Bibbidi Bobbidi Boxes. And then it is the old lady from, I think it's Princess and the Frog. And it says, when you find out who you are, you'll find out what you need. Blue skies and sunshines guaranteed. So that is so cute. And then this month, our spoiler alert is Winnie the Pooh and Piglet on the little balloon. That's so cute. This is going to give you all your prices and everything that was in your box all in one little section, so you can check that at the end. And I actually got a personalized cards. Oh my god, so it says, Madison, we honestly can't thank you enough. Enjoy your upgraded box. The BB team, Becky, Amanda, and Brenda. Oh my god, I love you guys. I am so excited, and it is on a card of all the dogs of Disney. So I have an upgraded box this month. Oh my god, I am so excited. I cannot wait. So this is what it looks like. We are going to undo the thing. The tissue. Oh my god, I am so excited. Okay, so I don't even know where to put this. I have stuff flying everywhere. So I am just gonna take, I just saw something. Oh my god, okay, so I need to take this out first because I am freaking out. Oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. What? I'm literally shaking. Oh my god, oh my god. What have you girls done? Oh my god, oh my god. So, if you guys don't know, I am a huge Nightmare Before Christmas fan. It is literally my #1 movie. Like, #1. And the girls at Bibbidi Bobbidi have sent me a purse. Oh my gosh. I literally don't even know what to say. I'm tearing up. Oh my god. So, I'm gonna take this off. It has a chain at the top if I wanted to carry it this way, or it also has the straps if I wanted to do like a crossbody. It says The Nightmare Before Christmas. It has Jack's face on the front, and then it also has the logo on the back, but I can't get over this print on the inside. Oh my god, there's Oogie Boogie and the Mayor and Sally and Jack and Lock, Shock and Barrel and Dr. Finkelstein and like... And purple and black are like my favorite things, but I can't get over this. Oh my gosh, guys. I love this so much. I've never seen anyone get this before. Like, ever. This is going to either... I need to like find a spot for this to like sit and just be admired, and oh my god, I love this so much. Thank you guys so much. Oh my god, and this is just the first item. Okay. Keep it together. Keep it together. Okay. The thing that I was freaking out about is I saw someone, so I like to be very active on their Instagram. I try and comment as much as I can or help you guys out if you guys have questions. And if I know the answer, I try my best to be there for you guys, because we are all a Disney family and, you know, all of us can help each other, right? I saw someone's picture that I liked and I comment. I try and go through everyone's pictures and who tagged Bibbidi Bobbidi and stuff like that. And someone got these Sally ears. And I was like, if you guys have an extra pair, can I please get them? I also really wanted the purple lemonade ears from Flower and Garden, but I like would 100% take the Sally ones over those. And they were able to get them for me. Oh my god, I'm literally, okay, scissors. I need to get these. Oh my god. They are so beautiful. Oh my god, guys. Look at them. Oh, they are everything I wanted. Oh my god. I can't get over these. Oh my god, and turns out I'm actually going to Disney in January. I'm totally bringing these, and I'm also bringing my Haunted Mansion ones that I got last time. So, thank you guys so much. Honestly, it even says Sally on the back. Like, the detail is truly amazing on these. Like, I can't get over them. And they are so comfortable. I like how it's like her dress is the bow. Oh my god. I'm keeping these on. Okay. So let's continue. I have one last thing in the box, which is a tumbler, I think. Oh my god. I'm pretty sure, yes, this is a Tervis tumbler. Oh my gosh, and it's all Jack's faces. Oh, and there's a little 0 down here. Oh my gosh. This is a biggins. This is 20 ounce. Oh my gosh. I love this so much. Oh my god, guys. I literally can't thank you guys enough. You guys spoiled me so much. Honestly, so much. I am so thankful. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I know to go through now because a lot of you were asking last time for me to go through the spoiler alert. So this time I will for sure. So, oh my god. So this apparently is a Loungefly. I didn't know that. It didn't say Loungefly on it, so I wasn't sure. But it, oh, am I just blind and I didn't see it? Oh, I totally didn't see it. It's a Loungefly, my bad. So, the Loungefly Disney purse was $68. The Disney Park Sally ears were $27.95, which I think all of their ears are. And then the Tervis tumbler was $34.99. So my box this month was $130.94. I cannot thank you enough. Honestly, this company is so amazing. Their customer service is out of this world, honestly. And to think that someone like myself, who out of 30,000 people on their Instagram, like they actually noticed me and they took time to really, you know, like do this for me. Like it, honestly, I am so thankful, and it has been a pleasure like getting these boxes and signing up for this. Like Bibbidi Bobbidi, like you guys are literally amazing. I don't even know like what to say. I am really speechless right now. I love everything. Like, could we not say this is a box for me? Like literally my #1 favorite movie, and I am just, I'm over the moon. I am literally blown away. Thank you guys so much, and I cannot wait till next month, literally. So if you guys have any questions about Bibbidi Bobbidi boxes or things that I can try my best to answer for you, please leave them in the comment section below. Tell me what you guys got in your boxes if you've signed up for it. I know they have literally been skyrocketing all over YouTube and Instagram. They have literally like boom, hit the top. I don't think anyone can compete at all, honestly. Like, it's them. It's literally Bibbidi Bobbidi. Like, I can't get over it. But anyways, thank you guys so much for joining me today. Again, comment down below what was your favorite item from my box, or if you get Bibbidi Bobbidi, what was your favorite item from your box. And I hope you guys have a good one, and I'll see you in another video. Bye!